Hey guys, I just wanted to show you that these hanging banners from Chalk Couture actually come with a dowel and a leather strip to hang them with, which is spectacular and very sturdy. However, since we are making a garden flag, I just picked up a garden flag post off Amazon, and these 9x12 hangers from Chalk Couture actually fit those perfectly. Take a look at how beautiful this came out. Super simple to change out your garden flags every single season, guys. Super affordable, super simple. Thanks so much for watching.